Okay, ma'am. We'll continue next class.
So good evening, students. All of you responded.
Good evening, sir.
So
sir.
అందరూ కూడా టీచ్మెంట్ యాప్ లో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అంతా కూడా ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ అంతా టీచ్మెంట్ లో జరుగుతుంది. ఈ రోజు మాత్రం ఇక్కడ జూమ్ క్లాస్ లో నిర్వహించబడుతుంది. అందరికి దయచేసి చెప్తున్నాను, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా చెప్పండి. నేను టీచ్మెంట్ యాప్ ఎన్రోల్ లింక్ పంపించాను. ఆ ఎన్రోల్ లింక్ కూడా మీరంతా కూడా క్లిక్ చేసి జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. నేను అప్రూవల్ చేస్తాను. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా టీచ్మెంట్ లోనే ఉంటాయి నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసులు అంతా కూడా. సో అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఇంతకు ముందు గణేష్ వాళ్ళంతా కూడా రిజిస్టర్ అయినారు, అది డిలీట్ అయిపోయింది. మళ్ళీ అందరూ కూడా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ అవ్వండి. అందరూ కూడా రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ అయ్యి మళ్ళీ ప్రెస్ గా పంపించాను చూడండి. మీ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టాను, 10th క్లాస్ గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టాను నేను. ఆ గ్రూప్ లో ఎన్రోల్ అయినట్లయితే మీరంతా కూడా ఓకే నేను. సో హిందీ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందా? రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి బాబు. క్లాస్ అయిపోయిందా? Anybody tell me? Okay. So in previous class we have discussed about acid and acid properties. So acid is a blue litmus paper turned into the red litmus paper. So the acid taste can be sure. So the acid substance that releases H+ ions, so it aqueous means water. So the acid taste is a sure. So and acids reacts with the metals. The acids contain hydrogen. Many are poisons into corrosive to skin. So some acids is there, sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid and hybromic acid and hydrodic acid, so nitric acid and perchloric acid. So weak acids ఇచ్చారు, ఫార్ములాస్ కూడా ఇచ్చారమ్మా. So a base substance which is a releases to the OH minus ions, there is a aqueous solutions. So it is called as base. So the base can be the red litmus paper turned into the blue litmus paper. So the basically usually test bitter. So the bases are feel slippery and bases contain hydroxide ions. The strong bases are also poisonous and corrosive to the skin. So some bases is there. So lithium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, rubidium hydroxide and cesium hydroxide, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and strontium hydroxide. So the neutralization reaction is HCl plus NaOH gives rise to H2O plus NaCl. So that is the acid plus base gives to the salt plus water. Acid plus base gives to salt plus water. So the reaction is called as neutralization reaction. The reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So యాసిడ్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎక్కువైనప్పుడు న్యూట్రలైజ్ చేయడానికి బేస్ ని మిక్సింగ్ చేస్తామా. సో బేస్ పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎక్కువైనప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం యాసిడ్ మిక్సింగ్ చేస్తాం. సో ద యాసిడ్ ప్లస్ బేస్ గివ్స్ రైస్ టు సాల్ట్ ప్లస్ వాటర్. So that reaction is called as neutralization reaction. All of you note it. So the neutralization reaction is formula HCl plus NaOH, sodium hydroxide gives to H2O, water plus NaCl. So activity is there, already discussed in previous class. The required material is test tube and a delivery tube and glass through the candle and soap water and dilute HCl. All of you see the figure. Set the apprentice shown in
Sir.
figure. Set the apprentice shown in figure. So is the test tube and the zinc granules and the delivery tube and soap water. So the material required is test tube and the delivery tube and glass through the candle, soap water, dilute HCl and the zinc granules. So the procedure is, so the take about the 10 ml of dilute HCl and test tube added to the pure zinc granules. So what do you observe that in the surface in zinc granules? So the passes to the gas is evaluated through the soap water. So the gas is near to the burning matchstick and the pop sound is coming. The pop sound is coming. So that named gas is H2 gas. That named gas is H2 gas. Already discussed last class in the activity. So next one is acid plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. Acid plus metal gives to salt plus hydrogen. So our lab activity chemical equation is HCl plus Zn gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. HCl plus Zn gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. So repeat the experiment some of the other acids like H2SO4 sulfuric acid and HNO3 nitric acid. In the above situations, you observe that the acids can be a reaction of base. The acids can be reaction of base with the metals can be releases to the H2 gas. Releases to the H2 gas. All of you note this point. So the acids and bases can be reaction of metals. So the coming gas is H2 gas. So the equation is acid plus metal. So gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. So that is the chemical reaction of in first activity. HCl plus Zn gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. So note చేసుకున్నామా all of you note this equation. అర్థమవుతుందా? బాబు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి అర్థమవుతుందా?
Sir.
నోట్ చేసుకున్నారమ్మా ఇది?
Yes, sir.
సో ఏంటి మా అవర్ యాక్టివిటీ టెల్ మీ ఎనీబడి?
యాసిడ్ మెటల్ రియాక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు H2 గ్యాస్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్. యాసిడ్ ప్లస్ మెటల్ రియాక్షన్ అయినప్పుడు మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుందంటే H2 గ్యాస్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సాల్ట్ ప్లస్ హైడ్రోజన్. సాల్ట్ ప్లస్ హైడ్రోజన్.
హైడ్రోజన్.
So that is the lab activity. Our experiment is that is the lab activity in the chapter. Very very important 4 mark question మైది. So all of you note it. మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఉన్నట్లయితే కూడా నోట్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. Very very important and this activity. So this is the activity. So next one is base and metal gives to salt plus hydrogen. Salt plus hydrogen. So how do you acids bases react with the metals? All of you observe this figure. So the reaction of the zinc granules with the dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid and testing of gas by the burning. And testing of gas by the burning. So the example is the gas is evaluated near the bringing matchstick and pop sound is coming. Burning the hydrogen gas with the pop sound. So the soap bubble filled with the hydrogen soap solutions. So have you this figure? All of you observe this figure and note it. So this figure very very important drawing 4 mark question. All of you note it. Screenshot కావాల్సిన తీసుకోండమ్మా. Next one, activity 3. So in previous activity, we conclude that the acid and metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. So in this activity, we learn about base plus metal gives rise to what is coming the products. So we observe that in activity, place them a few zinc granules, that is metal, and the test tube, and add it to the 10 ml of sodium hydroxide. So that is formula is NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula is NaOH solution. So the warm is the contents of the test tube. So the repeat the test tube and activity to record your observation. In this activity, we conclude that the hydrogen gas is evaluated. The hydrogen gas is evaluated. So the chemical equation is sodium hydroxide plus Zn, zinc, gives rise to sodium zincate plus H2 gas. Sodium zincate plus H2 gas. So that is the base plus metal. Base plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. Salt plus hydrogen. Here salt is sodium zincate and gas is H2 gas. Formula is H2. So that is the base plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. Salt plus hydrogen. Do you understand, students?
Yes, sir.
What do you understand, students? Tell me, anybody say answer.
Base plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen.
Very good. So acid plus metal gives rise to which gas?
H2 gas, sir.
Hydrogen.
H2 gas. Hydrogen gas. So
Hydrogen
in the both two situations, we observe that the acid plus metal and base plus metal coming to the salt plus hydrogen gas. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So acid plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen, and base plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. So that is the two activity. We conclude that the both activities releases to the same hydrogen and salt. Hydrogen and salt. So in the activity, the chemical reaction is sodium hydroxide plus zinc gives rise to sodium zincate plus H2 metal. Sodium zincate plus H2 metal. So such reactions are not possible with the all metals. So however, we conclude this, note this point, such reactions are not possible all metals. So some metals are possible to the reactions. Because reason, lot of time waiting to the lab activities, so that decided to the fastly result is coming to the sum of activities is there. So that is the sodium hydroxide plus zinc gives rise to sodium zincate plus H2. So note chesko my equation. All of you note it. So in the activity, we conclude that base plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen. Here base is sodium hydroxide and metal is zinc and gives rise to sodium zincate, that is the salt and H2 gas. Have you complete, students? Next one is reaction of carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. So The reaction of carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with the acids. So our activity is take a two test tubes. So take a two test tube, label them the A and B. Label them A and B. Take about 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate. That formula is Na2CO3. Na2CO3. So in test tube A. So and about the 0.5 grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate. That formula is NaHCO3 in test tube B. So now added to the 2 ml of dilute HCl, both test tubes. So what do you observe that? So the gas produced to the each case up through the calcium hydroxide solution. Figure number 2, record observations. So now the reactions of chemical reaction, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus HCl gives rise to NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2, carbon dioxide gas is released. So at the same time, second equation, sodium hydrogen carbonate plus HCl gives rise to sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. So that is the test tube A and test tube B. Test tube A and test tube B. So passes the gas evaporated through the lime water. So the lime water is calcium hydroxide plus CO2 gives rise to calcium carbonate plus H2O. Calcium carbonate plus H2O. Here calcium carbonate is white precipitate. So the downward marks is shows that. So the calcium hydroxide plus CO2 gives rise to CaCO3 plus H2O. CaCO3 plus H2O. On passing the carbon dioxide following reaction takes place. So the calcium carbonate plus H2O plus CO2 gives rise to CaHCO3 twice. CaH3CO3 twice. So that is a calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. So in the soluble in water. So thus from the activity we conclude that the reaction of metal carbonates and hydrogen carbonates with the acids gives to the corresponding salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So we can generalize this equation chemical reactions shows below. So metal carbonate plus acid gives to the salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. The metal hydrogen carbonate react with the acid plus salt. So gives rise to acid gives rise to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Here we observe that the two situations here same. So that is salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So that is the reaction of carbonates and metal hydrocarbonates. Metal hydrocarbonates. So our activity is, so take a two test tubes. So run test tube తీసుకుంటామా. Now label to the A and B and take a test tube A, sodium carbonate. So that is formula Na2CO3 in test tube A and now about 0.5 grams of sodium hydrocarbonate, hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. So that test tube B. So now added to the 2 ml of dilute HCl. So the both test tubes we observe that the carbon dioxide gas is released. The carbon dioxide gas is released. All of you observe this figure. Respond on Babu. All of you observe this figure.
Yes, sir.
So a figure lo em artham avutundi? Tell me anybody. What do you observe this figure? Tell me anybody.
NaCl HCl రియాక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు CO2 గ్యాస్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది సార్.
సో NaCl గానైనా Na2CO3 సోడియం కార్బోనేట్ అంటాం దాన్ని. ఏమంటామంటే సోడియం కార్బోనేట్. Na2CO3 ప్లస్ HCl హైడ్రోక్లోరిక్ యాసిడ్. ఈ రెండు రియాక్షన్ జరిపినప్పుడు సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ ప్లస్ H2O అంటే సోడియం NaCl అంటే సోడియం క్లోరైడ్ ప్లస్ H2O వాటర్ ప్లస్ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్. సో సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate plus HCl gives rise to sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. Have you understand? Have you this understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is our chemical reaction? Tell me. What is our chemical reaction? Anybody tell me answer. What is our chemical reaction?
Na2CO3 plus
Hmm.
2HCl gives rise to 2NaCl plus H2O plus CO2.
Very good. So that equation can be represented reaction of metal carbonates. Reaction of metal carbonates. So the second equation can be represented metal hydrogen carbonates. Metal hydrogen carbonates. So all of you note it the formulas. So first formula Na2CO3 రాసుకోండి. All of you note it. All of you note it.
చెప్పండి సార్.
Na2CO3 sodium carbonate రాసుకోండి ఫార్ములా. Sodium carbonate. So next HCl hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Next one is sodium chloride. NaCl. Formula is NaCl. NaCl. NaCl ma. Next sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula is NaHCO3. 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 Next one, water. Water H2O. Water H2O. Next CO2. 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 Next one is CaOH2. CaOH2. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Next one is CaCO3. CaCO3. calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Next one, CaHCO3 twice. CaHCO3 twice. So that is a calcium hydrocarbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate.
రాసుకున్నాం సార్.
Calcium hydrogen carbonate. So in this activity, we conclude that metal carbonate plus acid. Metal carbonate plus acid gives to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So the metal hydrogen carbonates plus acid gives to salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So have you observed this figure? So set apprentice shown in figure that passes through the. So now take two test tubes and label it. First one is A and second one is B. Now add it to the 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate, that is a Na2CO3, and test tube A and test tube B sodium hydrogen carbonate. So now add it to the 2 ml of dilute HCl. So that is formula is hydrochloric acid. So the passes to the gas is evaluated. Passes to the gas is evaluated. So that gas name is carbon dioxide, CO2. That gas name is carbon dioxide, CO2. So each case, the lime water calcium hydroxide solution, figure number 2, record observation. So the calcium hydroxide can be reaction of carbon dioxide used to the calcium carbonate plus H2O. Calcium carbonate plus H2O. So that is the reaction of passes to the evolving the calcium hydroxide to the lime water. In the chemical reactions is there. Chemical equations is there. The first one is sodium Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate plus HCl gives rise to sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. NaCO3, HCl plus NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. So the second equation is sodium hydrogen carbonate plus hydrochloric acid gives to the sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. Plus CO2. So, and third equation is the calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide. So the calcium hydroxide can be plus carbon dioxide gives to the calcium carbonate. That is a white layer. Or your daily life show the reaction of in new buildings are coated to the white cement, white powder. We observed that name is calcium carbonate.
సున్నం సార్.
Sunnam, calcium carbonate. So plus H2O, water. So the calcium carbonate plus H2O plus CO2 gives rise to calcium hydrocarbonate. Calcium hydrocarbonate. So in this activity, we conclude that metal carbonate plus acid gives to the salt plus hydrogen carbon dioxide plus water. Metal carbonate plus acid gives to the salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives to the salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. In the both situations, we observe that the products can be product of salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So all of you note it. Very important this equations. All of you noted, students. నోట్ చేసుకున్నాం అందరూ, నోట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారా? రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండి. ఆర్ యు ఆడిబుల్ అన్న? ఏం సుబ్బన్న?
రాసుకుంటున్నాం సార్.
రాసుకోండి ఆయన. All of you completed?
Yes, sir.
So once again repeat the question. It's in the activity. So now the reaction of carbonates with the metal hydrogen carbonates with the acids. So you discussed about carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with the acids. So the procedure of activity, take about the two test tubes and label it, name A and B. So now take the first test tube, 0.5 grams of sodium carbonate. So that is formula Na2CO3. And now second test tube B and sodium hydrogen carbonate. That is formula is NaHCO3, test tube B. Now add it to the dilute HCl, 2 ml of dilute HCl in both test tubes. So what do you observe that? So we observe that the passes through the gas is evaluated. So that gas name is carbon dioxide. That gas name is carbon dioxide. That gas name is carbon dioxide. So again, the calcium hydroxide, lime water, so now heated to the, can be reaction of calcium carbonate. So that is the equation 3. And calcium hydrogen, calcium carbonate can be added to the hydrogen, water plus carbon dioxide gives to the calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. So that equations is there, chemical equations. So the chemical equation is sodium carbonate plus hydrochloric acid gives to sodium chloride plus H2O. Sodium chloride plus H2O plus carbon dioxide. So next one is sodium hydrogen carbonate plus HCl gives rise to sodium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. So the passes through the evaluated to the lime water, calcium hydroxide plus CO2 gives rise to the calcium carbonate plus H2O. Calcium carbonate plus H2O on passing through the excess of carbon dioxide. So the following reaction is takes place. So the following reaction is calcium carbonate plus H2O plus CO2 gives rise to calcium hydrogen carbonate. Calcium hydrogen carbonate. So from these activities, we conclude that the reaction of metal carbonates and the reaction of metal hydrogen carbonates with the gives to the salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So we generalized the form of this chemical reactions is shown in below. Yeah, we observe this. So metal carbonate plus acid gives to the salt plus carbon dioxide plus water, and the metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives to the salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So that is the reaction of metal hydrogen carbonates and metal carbonates. So this is two activities very important. The first activity, reaction of acid base metal with the reaction. So salt plus hydrogen gas is coming in the previous activities. So in